Welcome to our assembly about PE. I think Jess is an amazing PE teacher because she always listens and she always has an amazing smile on her face.
Thanks for talking to us about PE, Jess.
That's okay. Which articles are relevant to PE?
I think Article 29, developing people's skills and talents.
What do you do in PE?
We do football, dodgeball, volleyball, tube ball, basketball, curling. What is everyone's favourite activity in PE?
Basketball.
Basketball. Football. What did you say?
Dodgeball.
Dodgeball. Mataza, what's yours?
Volleyball.
Volleyball. Harry, what's your favourite PE activity? Is it dodgeball? Dodgeball. What's yours, Shalom? What's your favourite? Volleyball.
I like doing PE with Jess.
I like doing PE with Justine.
Jess is the best.
She teaches us new things.
3, go.
Thanks, Jess, for talking to us about PE.
You help.
You help us see
Article
29
in action.
We really look forward for PE.
So room 4, who loves to stay active? Me! Yeah, so as well as PE with Jess, we also enjoy PE in the OT gym. Say bye room 4.
Bye,